Hello, my name is Josue. I'm in the team Plugit for GCC Maps semester of 2019. Our project description is basically a website, web-based GCC Maps for use by students and faculty, which is to help locate room numbers more efficiently with side tabs, to give vivid descriptions for each room and other usabilities. The whole rundown for this for our ideas this semester is we're going to make sure it's user friendly for students and faculty, which can help locate rooms, to know what each room is associated with, and then the map will have better vivid icons, so they can have a better representation on each legend, and then we're going to have a better view of what is located within each room, for better user-friendly. Uh, and since this is an ongoing project that's been done over the past couple of years, our clients Mike and Dave has asked us what we decided on adding for this semester's project. We decided as a group to include the following. We're going to fix the legends, fixing bugs, mapping halls, mapping rooms, and emergency routes. The emergency routes is a small thing we wanted to try to do if we had more time. But the whole rundown is so we can fix all those things so it'd be more user friendly for each person that uses it. Our first requirement was to make sure users are able to clearly understand what is being mapped. So basically, we're going to have vending machine icons, water fountain icons, and in each room there's going to be like ports and projectors. So this is so that if you see a vending machine and a water fountain outside of a room, you know which one is more closely located from each room. So that's the first requirement. Second requirement was so that users are able to clearly read and understand the legend in order to visualize the objects on the map. So we're going to fix the legend, have a better uh, interface with that, change the icons within each description for each legend, and also update the icons on the map itself, for like the fire extinguisher, defibrillator, all those stuff. The next requirements were so that users were able to access each room. So once they access each room, either a faculty, instructor, student, they are able to see what's in each room. For example, like the ports I was saying earlier and the projectors. So once the student walks into a room using this map, they know which part of the room they probably more likely would want to be sitting next to, just in case if they had no time to charge their phone or if they need to like charge their laptop or anything like that. So this is a better use of this feature we're going to add onto each room, so that the selection of each room isn't too vague. Like it's just a better representation of what we want to make this map look a little bit more better. Um, and then users need to see emergency routes. So that was something we wanted to try to accomplish, but that's only if you have time. So person basically, let's say they're in room W building, third floor, and which is the fastest route they can take, per se, from that specific room. So what we were gonna do, we were gonna try to divide the rooms, divide the building itself to see which is the fastest and most safest way in order for students or faculty to leave from specific location they are at. So that's our take on this project for those specific requirements. The whole rundown is we're going to try to complete all of our tasks within all of our phases within us like a month, and we would be done within month of November 26th. Our first iteration will take about 3 weeks to accomplish. The first step we want to try to finish in week 1 is to get the legend up to date, make sure that it's fully functional, and then update our icons to make it look more representational. And the legend and the map, the icons on the map itself, adding the vending machines, water fountains, so we can finish that step. And then by week 3, we're going to test our code, make sure it runs smoothly, so that there's no errors, or to make sure that it actually pops up onto the website itself. And that's about it. So my other team members have finished their part, and thank you for listening.